Hello friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Tri-Light Builders, back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction in Paradise Valley, episode 23. We are on the home stretch, truly almost finished with this project, and wanted to give you guys a quick run through of all the things we got finished here. Okay, here we are in the kitchen. Tile guys are here finishing up the backsplash, and the island top got put in. We had a little snafu with the first time it went in, but worked with our fabulous fabricator, Bellstone, and got a new top fabricated and put in. And now the plumber's been out, our fabulous Jim with CLW, and put in the faucet and the air switch and the soap dispenser. And oh my goodness sakes, it looks so good. Those light fixtures are so cool. They really mimic the industrial elements of the Dekton countertop surface. We use Dekton Nilium in this space, and it looks so rad. I don't know why I would use that word, but it looks so cool. It just does. So we open the pantry door, and as you walk in, the light turns on. Isn't that awesome? Okay, so we got all of our pantry outfitted here with all the organizational shelves and rollouts. These are some rollouts the homeowner had before that we reinstalled. They look so good with this. Doesn't that look awesome? Just a fantastic pantry space for them. I'm in love with this round mirror on this wall with this vanity bath. Oh my word, this hall bathroom looks so good. There's the shower. Oh, tub shower combo in there looks fantastic. Here we are walking into our ensuite bathroom. This is our seated vanity side. This other side is our standing vanity side. And I don't know if you can tell or not, but we did keep the seated vanity side lower so that a standard stool or chair would fit under it. And then the sink vanity side made it the standard kitchen height. And we decided to hang the lights and the mirrors at the same elevation so that as you come in, your eye doesn't feel like there's a dramatic difference in the heights, but I think it turned out really, really sharp. So then here's the shower with our barn door hardware on these bypassing doors for this shower in this ensuite bathroom. Again, those eye tiles, oh, they just look so cool. The shape of them is really cool, and the concave in the center. Just such a neat design element for this space. We've used Toto toilets and washlets in this bathroom and in the master bathroom. They are going to be so nice, such a luxury to have in your home if you're able to. But doesn't this space just look great, friends? And those closet doors, these closet doors got painted. They were stained wood before, but we painted them all white to coordinate and complement all the other finishes in the home. Looks so good. We're headed down the hall to the master bedroom and bathroom. We've got kitty cats back here, so I'm closing the door. Make sure we keep them in their space. Not that they'd leave right now. They're a little bit traumatized by all the people in their home and moving into their new home, but it looks so good, friends, in this space. Oh, this bathroom. Oh, she is gorgeous. Homeowner found a nice clear acrylic stool so that she can use that either at the seated vanity or in the shower. It just looks so nice. And as we walk in here, we have the kitty closet. Here they are, hiding from us, but yet not. Hi, Chester. Hi, Harry. Oh, such good kitties. Trying to manage this. A little bit stressed out while they're at it, but we're doing good here. Her closet, the shower looks so good. So we have sun coming in through our window a little bit, so this makes our polished nickel finishes just warm up even more. It looks so glamorous in this space, just with that polished nickel finish on all those things. And then our water closet and his closet. Oh man, friends, it's looking so good. Oh friends, that was a quick walkthrough on our project here. We are almost done. I'll come back with another video when we do our final pictures. For now, our homeowners get to snuggle back into their own home and get cozy and warm and homely, all in it all over again. It's a brand new space for them in so many aspects. So we're really looking forward to them being able to transition back into their home. Again, thank you for being on this journey with us. We couldn't do it without you. For Coffee and Construction in Paradise Valley, episode 23, take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.